Hi guys, I'm Collin, Food Safety Coordinator with Spiceology, and with me is Tony Reed, our head chef. Today we're going to be making Sambal chicken skewers. We're going to feature Spiceology's Korean BBQ. This is a really versatile blend, goes great on pork, chicken. We're going to make up a little paste with that, baste the chicken after we start making some rice. So bring that to a boil. Start by quartering the thighs. Now that our chicken's all cut up, fish sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, chopped ginger, sambal, and then sriracha. So once we baste the chicken, we'll be ready to skew it. And lastly, the rice vinegar. The plan is to sprinkle the Korean barbecue on the end. I really like the Korean barbecue because of its rich umami flavor. It's got a little bit of a sweet heat as well as those sesame seeds to kind of add a nuttiness to it and go in with the Korean barbecue.
Good description.
Thanks, man.
Simple and to the point.
Just like the blend.
Yeah.
Excellent. Cool. I'd say we're ready for the grill. Got that chicken. Chef's approval.
Caramelizing real nice.
It's real nice.
Real nice like.
Real nice. It's a go-to recipe. Good She done. Now that all the chicken's been skewered and cooked, we're gonna plate it up. A little green onion here, finishing touch.
Oh no.
All about sweet, salty, a little acid in there too. Korean barbecue chicken skewers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.